The holy stones on the banks of Manasarovar are called Murtas. Each stone is considered a Shivalinga. Pilgrims to Kailash take home these stones as blessings and worship them at their homes. It is believed that drinking and bathing the water in which these stones are kept is equivalent to drinking and bathing in Manasarovar. A view of Kailash from Manasarovar, Chukku. Hindus believe that those who worship Shiva on the banks of Manasarovar attain to him. Manasarovar is considered to be one of the 51 Shakti Peethas. It is considered to be the place where the right hand of Devi fell after the Daksha Yajna. Tulsidas compares Sri Ramachandra with the lake Manasarovar in his epic Ramacharita-manas. He also compares the swans on the lake to the devotees of Sri Rama. That is the reason he has named his epic Sri Ramacharita-manas. Kailashpati from Ashtapad. The mountain near Kailash is called Nandi Mountain. Jain scriptures proclaim that the first Tirthankara, Rishabhadeva, also known as Adinatha, attained liberation at Ashtapad. Archan from Tirthapuri. The pilgrims are now assembled near Yamadwar at Valley of Gods. The jeep of the pilgrims can travel only up to the Valley of Gods. The circumambulation of Kailash from here takes 3 days. The total distance covered is 52 kilometers. Pilgrims start their first day of circumambulation. During the first day of circumambulation, the pilgrims see many sights like this. The circumambulation of Kailash is considered equivalent to the circumambulation of the whole universe. It is believed that if one makes a circumambulation of the Kailash mountain, all his sins are washed away. Mount Kailash is situated in an atmosphere conducive to the growth of very rare species of flora and fauna. The water of the springs found in and around Kailash are well known for their medicinal values. During the first day, they reach Dhirapuk, 24 kilometers from Tarchen. After the coronation of Sri Ramachandra, Rama and Lakshmana once went on a pilgrimage to Kailash. The Mahabharata says that Kubera lives on Mount Kailash. Pilgrims reach Dhirapuk 16,400 feet from sea level at the end of the first day of circumambulation and stay in this guest house. A homa is performed. The view of Kailash from Dhirapuk is called Linga Darshan. It is also called Vishwalinga. Lord Vishnu did penance in Kailash to please Shiva, says the Mahabharata. Bhagiratha did penance in Kailash requesting Shiva to bring Ganga to the earth. The Mahabharata describes Arjuna's visit to Kailash with Sri Krishna for obtaining Pashupatastra. Arjuna did penance on Mount Kailash and obtained the Pashupatastra. There is a description in the Mahabharata of the Pandavas going to Kailash during their exile. Pandavas went to Kailash during their last days. In the Vishnu Purana, Lord Shiva says, "Those who meditate upon Kailash are superior than those who perform all kinds of worship at Varanasi." Those who go to Kailash to attain liberation are considered gods. There is a verse which says that there is no rebirth for one who visits Kailash. Adi Shankaracharya also visited Kailash. A view of golden Kailash at sunrise. Pilgrims start for the second day of Kailash circumambulation from Dhirapuk. Tibetans leave their old clothes in this place called Shivasthal. This place of importance in the second day of circumambulation is called Dolma Pass, 7 kilometers from Dhirapuk. Tibetans hoist colorful prayer flags at Dolma Pass. It is believed that the body of man transforms into a celestial body while crossing this pass. This rock at Dolma Pass is worshipped by Hindus as Parvati Devi. Dolma Pass is situated at a height of 19,500 feet above sea level. This place is called Tara Devi Peetha.
Mr. Pankaj.
This pond, named Gauri Kund, is situated a few yards down Dolma Pass. Legend has it that Parvati Devi did penance for a long period in this pond to attain Lord Shiva as her husband. This is the highest pond in the world, situated at 18,400 feet from sea level. Pilgrims start traveling down from Gauri Kund.
ये हमारा किचन है, ये हमारा सर्विस स्टाफ है, ये हमारा गेस्ट हाउस है जहाँ हम रुके हैं।
लकड़ी किसकी है? लकड़ी तो कैलाश पर कब हम गुजरा गुजरे टैक्सी टैक्सी हमारा टैक्सी दोनों बाजू बाजू में हमारा रमेश भाई पीछे संजय भाई
point. Yo na lao theo. Point. ऐसे गाड़ी में जाने लगे। point. ऐसे
देखो इधर है ये आपका ड्राइवर।
The third day of circumambulation is from Zutulpur to Tarchen,
Tarchen
a
जाएंगे।
distance of 12 kilometers.
यहाँ पूरा शूटिंग कर बंदी समझ आज हम शूट जा रहा है लास्ट पॉइंट पंकज मोहन खाली पैर में यात्रा कर रहे हैं, वो अष्टपद यात्रा कर रहे हैं। मिस्टर पंकज मोहनी और हमारा स्टाफ वो पंकज मोहनी खाली पैर कैलाश का यात्रा कर रहे हैं। अष्टपद के आगे से कैलाश का दर्शन कर रहे हैं मिस्टर पंकज मोहनी।
By the grace of Kailashpati, the pilgrims return to Tarchen after the third day of circumambulation. Shaivite scriptures say that Nandi guards the Mount Kailash.
मन रूपी बातों को दूर करो, परमात्मा स्पष्ट दर्शन था, ये स्पष्ट अनुभूति करा हुआ। परमात्मा की कृपा उनका विवादों दूर कर सकती है। आजूबाजूला पहाड़ पर जरा बर्फ आहे. कैलाश परच बर्फ છે. ईश्वरी कृपा वगैरे ईश्वर दर्शन करा अशक्य है.
मिस्टर पंकज मोवानी अष्टपथ से कैलाश का दर्शन करके वापस आ रहे हैं. वो ये पूरा यात्रा खाली पैर किया उन्होंने. ये गजब की बात है. उनकी इच्छा शक्ति मानना हम सब लोग को मानना पड़ेगा. मिस्टर पंकज मोवानी बॉम्बे से हैं. वो एक शर्ट और एक पैंट और खाली पैर कैलाश का पूरा परिक्रमा किया. अभी वो अष्टपथ से कैलाश का दर्शन करके वापस जा रहे हैं. मैं 1997 से इस फील्ड में हूँ. कैलाश यात्रा करा रहा हूँ, ऑर्गेनाइजर हूँ. लेकिन अब तक मैंने खाली पैर शर्ट पैंट में कैलाश यात्रा किया और किसी को नहीं देखा. फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे नॉलेज में फर्स्ट टाइम मिस्टर पंकज मोवानी ने एक करके वो शिव भक्ति का उदाहरण दिया है. धन्यवाद.
हाँ रमेश भाई जी जमीन हमारा बहुत साथ आया मुझे यात्रा.
Kailash is considered as the sixth chakra, Sahasrara, as mentioned in the Yoga Shastra. Pilgrims return to Chennai from Manasarovar via Kathmandu and Varanasi.
बोलिए पंकज जी कुछ बोलिए.
फर्स्ट क्लास लगा बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ रिलीफ है कमिंग बैक टू नेपाल. आप बोलिए बाबा जी.
बहुत बढ़िया है.
हाँ और अमरनाथ जी, आपकी शेविंग के बारे में कुछ? Nobody's talking much. बोलिए डॉक्टर साहब, आप बोलिए.
Pankaj is one of the best person in our whole of group
Great.
who went all around barefooted
हाँ.
without heavy clothing, and he gives us the real strength of Shraddha on the Lord.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. परिवार जी आप? परिवार जी.
नेपाल बहुत अच्छी जगह है।
हाँ.
उनको यात्रा के लिए जो है कैलाश पर्वत गए हैं।
हाँ.
पूरा जो है हमारा जो साथ में जो हमारे यात्री है,
हाँ।
सभी भाई है, तो बड़े आनंद से रहे और निरोगी गए और निरोगी आए सब, और यात्रा सफल रही। सबसे अच्छी बात है भाईचारा बना रहा।
थैंक यू. आप बोलिए. मिसेस शर्मा आप बोलिए. शर्मा रही है मिसेस शर्मा, शर्मा रही है. आप बोलिए राजीव जी. अपनी मातृभाषा में बोलिए.
हमारा टूर बहुत सफल हुआ और बड़ा मजा आया।
ओके.
और हम अगली बार फिर से आएंगे और फिर से सफल हो इंशाल्लाह।
सर समथिंग.
अच्छी हुई टूर, हमारा तालमेल अच्छा था।
हाँ।
फिर आना चाहेंगे।
हाँ. Becky, speak in Cantonese.
No, I was in the same car with him, and he's a very cool guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not only about Pankaj. Anything,
Oh.
anything.
Fantastic time,
Great.
but I can't wait to have a shower.
Raj.
No, first the senior.
नहीं बोल यार बोल. Last is
I'm
Ajay ji.
levitating now. Om Namah Shivaya.